good afternoon, and good evening everyone. Welcome back to yes, I still have this as Gunpowder Show because this is still kind of kits. But yeah, these things or this merch is part of our, let's say, our merch, which we will have. We'll join another convention on February. Yep, on February. I don't know if when I will upload this one, but yeah, it will be on February. Okay. Okay. So much further ado, let's have this one right here, and yeah, a little bit heavy because yeah, let's unleash it first with the Rusty Basalt Trusted Hobby Knife. Okay, let's go. You know that you don't have or do not ever use rusty tools in making or building your kits. Okay, just a reminder. Okay, let's go. Let's unleash. So yeah, so rather than unleashing it one by one, I'd rather to show you the boxes because yeah, you can see the final output of the kits when you have the box, because you need to build this one because they are kind of bricks and they are called bricks make a wise life. Yeah, like that. So I bought something like this. Okay, yeah, that's our bricks. So this is Frankie from One Piece and also Chopper in One Piece. So yeah, so you'll have this kind of merch right here, which is like this one. It's really like a Lego, so you need to build this one. So I bought two of each of the designs. So there are two Frankie and there are also two Chopper. Yeah. So let's have it more right here. So as I said, I have more other character here, which is also your Frankie. Then we also have Brook. Very nice. This is the parts right here. And then another one is your Usopp. Usopp. Another Usopp. Then another Chopper. So it's nice. They really know that I will put this on a market because they don't put the boxes on the they don't form the boxes, but it's just flat, so the boxes will be safe. So we also have Sanji right here. I bought I think I bought the One Piece characters. We have Luffy, yeah, another Sanji, then we have another Brook. Then we have Ace. Then we have another Luffy. I think it's the same Luffy. No, this is the Luffy which is in the New World, and this is the Luffy on the very first episode. Yeah, but they're different kind of Luffy. Then I still have here. Oh, with One Piece I also have one Naruto right here. Yeah, I have a Naruto. And then I also have another Luffy in the first episode. Then I also have Nico Robin. Then I also have another Nico Robin. Okay. Then I also have, if we have Nico Robin, of course we will have Nami. Right here. Then another Nami. Then, wow, we have the right-hand man of Luffy, Zoro. Then another Zoro. And another Luffy in the New World. And then we have another Ace. Yeah, because as I said, I bought two kinds of each style. So we have Naruto here. And we have a free gift. What is this gift? So they give us a freebie. Let me open it. Okay, Happy Smile hand mirror. Oh, it's a hand mirror. Oh, but it's broken. So it's not good to use broken mirrors. Yeah. So I'll just throw this away. But thank you so much for giving me this. But it's a mirror, so yeah, it's damaged. But it's okay. It's just a freebie. Important is that I have the actual packages. So yeah. So much for that. I will have a speed build of this every one of them and different videos here on my channel. No reviews, just a speed build and showing off, or a quick look of these things. After speed build, I will have a quick look immediately. Okay, so yeah, within one video only, not a separate one, because the other one will be on the box, the other one will be a show, or I will put them on the shelf, which they can see the finished product, so that they will have an outlook on what will be the kit will be, or the actual kit will be, if it is built already. Okay, yeah, so much for that. This is the building blocks that I bought right here. So yeah, so much for that. So happy. So another content, then another merchandise that I can have on our store, which will be part of other conventions here in Negros Occidental, because we are, it falls, we are situated here. So yeah, so if you are, as my subscriber is from Negros Occidental, see you on Beacon on February 15 to 16. Yeah, I think it's only 1 week when I uploaded this video, or recorded, not uploaded, but recorded this video. So yeah, so these are your building blocks, and yeah, see you on the convention if I can see you. Yep. So comment down there if you see me on the convention. So we are the J2D Arts and Prints, and we are on the ball M12. Yeah, very close to the entrance of the SMX convention on Bacolod City. Okay, yeah, on SM. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And if you like this kind of videos and contents, please consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell to be informed for our next video. Okay, so again, speed build and then a immediate quick look for the kit. Okay, for the building blocks. I still have other one right here, which is like, are they Pokemon? Yeah, I forgot. But yeah, I don't know, but I will build them. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for watching. That's it. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jay Gulapa signing off, and Gabber Show signing out. That's it. Thank you and goodbye. Peace out. Bye.